They demand precision. The biggest trap, Scope 3, you now have to track emissions from your entire supply chain. Stop using spreadsheets. You need a digital roadmap. We're talking AI-driven predictive analytics that turn raw data into audit-ready gold, and the game changer, double materiality. Don't scramble lead. We built the ultimate 2026 compliance checklist. Want it? Comment roadmap and I'll send it over. Now, let's break this down even further, because understanding the nuances is key to turning this regulatory headache into a competitive advantage. The tsunami isn't just one wave, it's a series of complex currents. For example, the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, or CSRD, from the EU has an extraterritorial reach. The real monster under the bed for most companies is Scope 3. Scope 1 and 2 are direct emissions, and energy purchases are relatively straightforward. It's a vast, tangled web of indirect emissions. This is where technology becomes your most critical ally. That's financial materiality. Double materiality adds a second lens, impact materiality. This requires a comprehensive stakeholder analysis and a new level of transparency. You have to look both inward and outward. So, how do you prepare? First, conduct a readiness assessment. Where are you now versus where do you need to be? Second, create a cross-functional team. This is not just a job for your sustainability department. You need finance, legal operations, and IT all at the table. Third, start engaging your supply chain partners now. They need to be part of the solution, and you need to educate them on the data you'll require. Finally, invest in the right technology. A robust, scalable platform is non-negotiable for audit-proof reporting. By taking these steps, you move from a reactive, compliance-focused posture to a proactive, strategic one. You'll not only meet the 2026 mandates, but also uncover efficiencies, mitigate risks, and build a more resilient and reputable brand. Do not forget to comment roadmap below for that free checklist to get you started on your journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of business.